So we're watching a movie, but look at this pretty kid. Do you see this? He's looking at the octopus toy. He wants it. Alright. I know I said this was gonna be the last video, but like, look at this. Are you watching TV? Ah. Couldn't hang on anymore. Oh, you got it. Get it. Oh, you got it. Like a rock climbing wall. Alright, let's see if he pounces on it.
Velocity Data Solutions requests dismissal.
Your Honor, if I may, this injunction request, counsel's approach.
Showing you the end of the day picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.